Hello everyone, welcome to Cheetah Pipe Gaming. Today I'm going to show you how to download and play Dragon Ball Z Budokai Tenkaichi 4 mod on your mobile. So first, I have a video that shows a link to download it. There is the download link. Click it. Click this. Your download is starting. Okay, with the file downloaded, click it, hit extract. It'll create its own folder. Now you gotta let it extract. Okay, as you can see, it extracted into its own folder. There's all your files. Now you gotta download Ether SX2 and install it. You will have to acquire a PS2 BIOS file legally. The emulator will ask you to choose a folder of where to play your games from and a folder to select your BIOS file. Once you have selected those two things, then you can start the game. And now you're playing Dragon Ball Z Budokai Tenkaichi 4 on mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. It'll really help me out. I plan to do more Let's Plays, mod showcases, and even password characters for Tenkaichi 4. So please let me know if you like that kind of content. Thank you.